The Digital Pathology Platform. The DP platform supports the creation of vertical applications for clinical research involving digital pathology. It provides built-in, ready-to-use functionality, including a virtual microscope with an integrated annotation engine that can be composed and customized for the specific application requirements. Before DeepHealth, the annotation and examination process in the DP platform was completely manual. The DeepHealth toolkit has allowed us to add sophisticated AI-based functionality to assist pathologists in their work. The platform administrator imports new slide images by activating the new ingestion pipeline managed by the Apache Airflow Workflow Manager. The execution of the pipeline can be monitored through the Airflow dashboard. The most important part of the import process is the execution of the inference sub-workflow, which uses custom DeepHealth-based deep learning models created within the context of the Platform 6 Use Case 6 activities to computationally annotate the imported images. The platform now uses a DeepHealth-based deep learning model to automatically recognize and annotate tissue areas on the image with high precision, while avoiding slide artifacts such as small irrelevant tissue islands. Separate tissue slices are also correctly annotated. This computational annotation saves user time and results in a more accurate annotation, as it painlessly copes with irregular tissue borders. A second, new DeepHealth-based deep learning model was created and integrated to identify probable prostate cancer tissue. The inference output of this model powers the computer-generated annotation of cancer areas on the images, as well as new advanced pathologist support tools that have been added to the platform. First, the model output powers a heat map visual aid, which helps the pathologist find and prioritize examination of probable cancer areas. The heat map visualization is completely customizable by the user, who can choose a preferred color palette, modify the heat map opacity, and select the threshold to apply to filter low-score predictions. The same cancer identification model also powers a new slide navigation map. Suspected cancer patches are clustered into macro areas, and the tool can navigate the user to examine them more carefully and annotate clinically relevant features. The tool avoids having to look over the whole slide when the study does not require it. The navigation map can be fine-tuned by selecting the preferred cluster radius, the positive prediction score threshold, and also by filtering by tissue slice. The new DeepHealth-based annotation tools result in a much quicker, easier, and more accurate image annotation experience. The validation activities in Work Package 6 have demonstrated that these tools have a positive impact on slide annotation time, with an average reduction of 60%. Overall, these improvements have made the platform a much better instrument, and they have contributed to it recently being selected to support a new clinical study on prostate cancer prognostication.